boardwalk, the Lava Boardwalk. As you can see, you have these boardwalks over where the water is. Interesting vegetation around here. Then in between you're walking on dry land. You can see down here it's all green. Just walking on water. Oops. Something jumped into the water. Molten lava rock pile from the time this thing actually came into existence. I'm not going to film the whole circle, but just give you an idea of what it is like. It's a 2.6 kilometer loop, as you can see on the sign at the beginning. But it's an easy walk, especially if you're on the boardwalk and don't have to walk in these waters. There's a lake, you go around the lake, I guess. Not this lake, but we're going back to dry land. So I'll stop it here. As you saw there, you can encounter a lot of different wildlife, like emus, and we actually did. If the photos or videos are good, I'll put them up here. But there's lots of birds here as well. Possums. I'm pretty sure I saw possum tails near the water. But they're very quick and agile. They make themselves scarce. It's actually quite a nice walk. It's mostly level and easy grades. And the opportunity to meet the wildlife in its element.